all new at Solar Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at a bouncy house sent by Joymor. No, I actually really didn't jump off of there. Discretion advised, but overall it's a cool product. So let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this thing.
Do it!
Hamza, what do we have today?
Bouncy house.
The bouncy house is here.
Yeah, we do see stuff.
All right, so this is in collaboration with Joymor. They actually sell a lot of different products, including bouncy houses, outdoor activity toys, and even ride-ons too. So if you guys want to check them out, be sure to check them out in the link below. And yeah, so this here's the packaging. Very simple. A pretty heavy box, not too heavy. Says it is 33 pounds. Wait, no, 47 pounds. Not sure. But yes, you ready to open it up?
Yeah, do it!
All right, let's do it.
Whoa!
All right, so there's a few different things going on. I looks like this might be just a bag. We have some outdoor hinges, so this you can go ahead and plant it down. We don't need that right now. And then this here's our bouncy house. Sweet. And there's our air blower right over there. So this one here is a 450 watt air blower.
Yes. Let's see.
So this here is going to be our blower. Really nice looking blower. And then you have your on-off switch right over here. Pretty simple stuff, and you just plug this into the wall. All right, you ready to do this?
We'll do this!
Okay, let's set this thing up. Here's going to be our setup for our blower. So you take the open end, it's an elastic. All right, well, there you guys have it. Overall, a lot of fun. We just turned it off. Hamza, did you enjoy that?
Yeah, do that is that.
And there you guys have it. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below, and Hamza will answer those for you. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.